Assalamu Sayyidi, how can we make our salah more effective? I'm from Ghana.
Hey, Salam alaikum Ghana, how are you? Inshallah, that's again all the teaching. Everything is based on energy. How can we pray if we have no energy? Salah is all based on your energy. It's not based on your mind, it's based on the ability and the energy you have. As soon as you say, Allahu Akbar, do you feel yourself moving into the Divinely Presence? If you're not feeling anything and your salah is just, in my mind making salah, that's not a real salah, that's just an imitated salah. That's why in your tahiyyat Allah asked you to say, As-salamu alayka ayyuhan nabi. Did you see Prophet As-salamu alayka ayyuhan nabi, that in present tense I'm giving salams to Prophet? No, if you didn't see then your salah didn't work. So it's just imitated salah. So until you build your energy, and that's why they talk with energy, because how are you going to say build your salah? Build your salah, what does it mean? But build your qudrah and your energy, that do your meditation, do your practices, make the connection until you feel an overwhelming flow of energy, that when you say Allahu Akbar you meditated and practiced all the time your meditation. So then you visualize yourself at Kaaba and it's right there in front of you. You're actually on Hajj in the presence of the Kaaba. You think you're seeing it by your imagination? No, your imagination is under Allah's authority. You can only see Disneyland. That came in your basic package. Even in Ghana they have a package where you can only see Mickey Mouse and Disneyland. But to see the Kaaba and nice and crisp and clear, see yourself in Medina praying that you want to pray behind Prophet in Madinatul Munawwarah, when your energy and your practice is for tafakkur, and ask the shaykhs to be present with you, dress me from your presence, dress me from your light, that I want to be in the presence of Sayyidina Muhammad Allahu Akbar. As soon as they enter in, they practiced all their life, they become Ahlul Basira, where they direct their heart, they see. Now if they're seeing it, that prayer is 100 times more powerful than the one that was just thinking it. They begin to reach a state of real salah in which they're praying with their soul into the oceans of light. And when they pray with their soul in the ocean of light, they feel the energy of lights. As soon as they give their when you say Allahu Akbar, is that Allah is supreme, and the reason you say Allahu Akbar is that you're asking that Allah open the reality of your ears, because your soul leaves through the ears. It hears the sound and travels from the ear. As soon as you say Allahu Akbar, you opened a veil from the ear and the soul went into the Divinely Presence faster than the speed of thought. Faster than the speed of thought, the soul is in that ocean. If it can visualize itself in Mecca, if it can visualize itself in Medina, later on Allah will open into horizons in the world of light, in which it sees itself in the world of light praying in that ocean of light. That becomes based all on tafakkur and contemplation, meditation, making the noble connection. Without the energy we're doing nothing, everything is just imitated.